Toothache?
Surprise!
Migraine?
You may now kiss the bride.
Dysmenorrhea?
When pain reaches this level, mukhang kailangan ng Dolphinal. With PG2 pain blockers that can stop prostaglandins, which cause pain.
Mukhang happily ever after.
Mukhang manlilibre!
Mukhang nagmana sa akin.
Huwag i-delay ang Dolphinal para walang delay ang saya. Alagang Unilab yan.
Sa mata pa lang, alam mong may talino. Bigyan siya ng HiQ. Tulong sa pagtalas ng isip. HiQ! Talas na nakita sa mata. Marked by Apetit. Mahalagang paalala, ang HiQ ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Balik-balik pa ang hatching. Don't worry, Annex to the rescue. Works in as fast as 20 minutes. Lasts up to 24 hours. Relieve allergies with Annex. Fast!
Every sunrise brings a new story, and every story begins with a single journey. At Zakish Airlines, we believe travel isn't just about reaching your destination. It's about the experience that carries you there. From comfort that feels like home, to service that feels like family, we make sure your moments in the sky are unforgettable. Because when you fly with us, the world is closer than you think. Zakish Airlines, your world within reach.
Kahit saan, sisig ng ina mo. Lunod ka sa saya, mula sa Pampagana hanggang sa dulo.
Ang sisig na hinahanap-hanap mo ay nasa sisig ng ina mo na. For just 70 pesos, may legit na kapampangan na sisig ka na with soft drinks and sabaw. Dito lang yan sa sisig ng ina mo.
Use Gamut Mod to fill the corner of the bite. Gamut Mod for 100 Taste England. New Gamut Mod. Taste the capsule. Replay Mod. Replay.
Attention users of Gamut Mod Strawberry. Recent studies show that the drug Gamut Mod Strawberry has been linked with heart attacks, cancers, stroke, or even death. If your loved one has any of these symptoms or has died after taking the drug between 2020 to 2021, call us right now!
Hello, I am Attorney Domyetsky. If your loved one had any of these symptoms or has died after taking the drug, call us right now. You may be eligible for financial compensation. The big companies that made the product made to blame, not the doctor.
If you have a heart attack, stroke, cancer, or even death after taking the drug, call the Domyetsky Law Firm right now!
Hi there, I'm Stella, your karaoke assistant. And in the world of consumers out there, there's a perfect choice for you.
Introducing Neo Plus and Neo Max, the super system with over a terabyte full of HD quality songs to the vast variety of genres to choose from. The consumer's choice for the best system for rentals with easy upgrade system. Neo Plus and Neo Max, only at Cinetron Cine Plus. Reimagine karaoke with XDS3.
Dito na tayo sa JA. Kung saan lahat ay okay sa JA. Lahat dito ay super mura. Lahat mga maganda dito sa JA. Sa JA, napatunayan na ng bayan. Wala namang iba. Quality shopping ang aming dala. Mapapa-JA talaga kayo. Ang supermarket namin ay JA.
Pagkagising sa umaga, umangon at kumain ng sapat. Gatas ang kailangan para lumusog ang katawan, pero may solusyon dyan. Ito ang MSI Gatas. Uminom ng MSI Gatas.
Ada Morella po, mag-MSA Gatas para iinumin ang gatas. Sarap. Mag-MSA Gatas na. 69 na piso SRP sa suking tindahan.
The use of milk supplements must only be upon the advice of a health professional.
Kuyan pa ang imong mga pog. Dadaang 40D kada adlaw. 40D makatabang kini sa pagbalik-on sa imong mga pog ug kaunuran with proper diet and exercise. Padaya sa pagdula. Naka 40D.
Unilab yan.